Hi, my name is Jeff Churl, and I'd like to welcome you to Court Street Ford.
Court Street Ford knows you want more than just a car. You have a purpose for your vehicle. Imagine driving this white '08 Chevrolet Avalanche, equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 50,026 miles. Enjoy this utility truck with features like navigation system, sunroof, heated seats, leather seats, keyless entry, remote starter, Bose sound system, and much more. Get where you need to go, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this '08 Chevrolet Avalanche. See us at Court Street Ford today.
Court Street Ford, we're located on Latham Drive in beautiful downtown Bourbonnais.